What's up, guys? Brandon here with Off-Road Warehouse out of Sparks, Nevada. I want to let you guys know what's going on in the shop today. Today we got the 2009 ORW Jeep JK that not only are we putting a badass new motor and a badass new transmission into it, we're also giving this guy away come December. So make sure you get in and get your entries before that. Alright guys, so not only is this thing getting a brand new crate engine and transmission, the lucky winner is also going to get hooked up with a 4.5-inch lock and load Metalcloak long arm suspension kit, paired with the SDI E-Clik Pro shocks, full Dana 44 ultimate housing in the front, paired with 538 gearing, Antirock sway bars front and rear, so that way you can get full travel while you're out there on the trail, maximum articulation, and never have to worry about that. What's up, guys? Brandon here, back with you from Off-Road Warehouse in Sparks. We got the old engine and trans out, getting ready to plug in the new one, just getting the assembly done. Guys, don't forget to sign up for this Jeep. If you aren't already, you do not want to miss out. This is going to be one kick-ass vehicle on the trails and on the roads.